This is a verbal walkthrough of the Power module, Simple Machines, Inclined Plane. Make sure to complete the inclined plane investigation first. You will need the sheet below to follow the rest of the directions, where you can click there. You can also have the story read to you by clicking that link. Simple machines. There are 6 types of simple machines. A pulley is a simple machine that uses grooved wheels and a rope to raise, lower, or move a load. A lever is a stiff bar that rests on a support called a fulcrum, which lifts or moves loads. A wedge is an object with at least one slanting side ending in a sharp edge which cuts material apart. A wheel with a rod, called an axle, through its center lifts or moves loads. An inclined plane is a slanting surface connecting a lower level to a higher level. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a pole which holds things together or lifts materials. 1. You will need this sheet to investigate inclined planes as well as wheels and axles. You will also need to get a spring scale. Spring scales measure newtons. Newtons are a unit used to measure force. It is named after Isaac Newton in recognition of his work on mechanics, specifically Newton's second law of motion and theory on gravity. See this video on how to use a spring scale. Watch as these girls test inclined planes and wheel and axles using a spring scale to measure newtons. Fill out your sheet as you watch their test for a short inclined plane and a steep inclined plane. Also watch their videos for a cart with no wheels and a cart with wheels. Lastly, number 4, from the text Levers and Pulleys, read the first article, Simple Machines. In your journal, write down examples of how you use simple machines every day. Again, to hear this part read to you, go back to the beginning page to click on the link.